First, before I start, I want to tell you, welcome to my channel. I present stories for learning English and getting to know new words in order to develop your language, and now I will give you some tips for learning English easily. Hi there. I want to share some tips on how to learn English by listening. Listening is a great way to learn English, and it can be fun too. You can listen to English anytime and anywhere. Here are some easy tips to help you get better at English. First, start with simple things. You can listen to English songs for kids. These songs have easy words and are fun to sing along to. Try to listen to the same song many times. This will help you remember the words and understand them better. You can also watch cartoons in English. Cartoons use easy words and short sentences. They also have pictures that can help you understand what is happening. Try to watch the same cartoon a few times. The more you watch, the more you will understand. Another good idea is to listen to stories in English. You can find many simple stories online. Listen to a story many times. Try to understand the words and sentences. You can even repeat the words out loud to practice your speaking. Podcasts are also a great way to learn. There are many podcasts made for people learning English. These podcasts use easy words and speak slowly. You can listen to them while you are doing other things, like walking or cleaning. Listening to people speaking English is very important. You can watch videos of people talking. Look for videos where people speak slowly and clearly. You can find many videos like this on YouTube. Try to watch these videos many times. Practice every day. Even if you only have a few minutes, try to listen to something in English every day. The more you listen, the better you will get. Make it a part of your daily routine. Use apps on your phone. There are many apps that can help you learn English by listening. These apps have stories, songs, and videos. You can use them anytime, anywhere. When you listen, try to focus on the words and how they are said. Pay attention to the sounds of the words. Try to copy the sounds. This will help you speak better. It is also good to listen to English with a friend. You can listen together and talk about what you heard. This will make learning more fun and help you understand better. Remember, it is okay if you do not understand everything at first. The more you listen, the more you will understand. Do not give up. Keep listening and you will get better every day. Listening to English is a great way to learn. It can help you understand more and speak better. Start with simple things and practice every day. Soon, you will see that your English is getting better and better. Another tip is to listen to English radio. There are many radio stations that you can listen to online. Some of them play music, while others have people talking. Find a radio station that you like and listen to it often. You can also watch movies in English. Start with movies that you have already seen in your own language. This way, you will know the story and it will be easier to understand. You can also use subtitles in your language to help you. Join a group where people speak English. This could be a class, a club, or an online group. Listening to real people speak English will help you learn faster. You can also ask them to help you if you do not understand something. Try to think in English. This can be hard at first, but it gets easier with practice. When you see something, try to think of the word for it in English. When you want to say something, try to say it in English in your head first. Make a list of new words that you hear. Write them down and look up their meanings. Try to use these new words when you speak or write in English. This will help you remember them better. Listening to English while you sleep can also help. Some people say that it helps your brain learn better. You can try listening to a story or some relaxing music in English as you fall asleep. Use your free time to listen to English. If you are waiting for something or traveling, put on your headphones and listen to something in English. Every little bit helps. You can also learn by singing along to songs in English. Find songs that you like and learn the words. Singing helps you practice your pronunciation and remember words better. Listening to English news is also a good idea. News reports are usually clear and use simple language. You can find news in English on TV, radio, and online. Find a language exchange partner. This is someone who wants to learn your language. You can talk to each other and help each other learn. This way, you can practice listening and speaking English with a real person. Finally, be patient with yourself. Learning a new language takes time. Do not get upset if you do not understand everything at first. Keep listening and practicing, and you will get better. Listening to English is a fun and easy way to learn. It helps you understand more and speak better. Start with simple things and practice every day. Soon, you will see that your English is getting better and better. Happy listening.